RIP my nigga 5-3 Chili, man. My nigga Quasi Dig, Raul, my nigga, you know what I'm saying? My niggas gone, man. Niggas in the pen, man. All my niggas, man. Man, what's up, all my niggas, man? Yeah, so much pain. It's so much pain, so much memories in my brain, It's so much pain. It's so much pain, so much memory in my brain, Man, I remember when I used to hang with my homie. Man, we used to act bad after high school. Man, we used to ride the bus, we didn't have no car, but it wasn't no problem cause we acting bad like a star. And you know we had them boppers on the team, freestyling at the lunchroom like a king, acting real bad, doing things with my homie, rolling up them things, drinking on the Long Island, and we gon' be leaning on the Hennessy, all the Grey Goose. Man, I miss my nigga 5-3, we was with Tauti around the corner, we was in the same hood, just was on different streets, but it was all good, kicking it, hanging it, acting real bad. Man, I miss my nigga, man, all the memories, all I have, a couple pictures, man, remember them days, man, it's memories, so much pain, so much pain, so much memory, so much pain, remember me, I remember you, I know you remember me, I repeat my niggas, so much pain, so much memories, so much pain, memories, I remember you, I know you remember me, and if it happened to me, I know you rep my name, I represent your name, my nigga 5-3, my nigga Twice, my nigga Chili, my nigga Terry, my nigga Raul. I'm a real nigga, man, we used to kick it after school in elementary. Man, my nigga was a fool. Man, my nigga Raul, that nigga was a twin. Had a brother named Miguel, acting bad in Pine Trails, making hell with my nigga Caesar. Man, that's my nigga. Man, my nigga still alive. Man, I thank God that, man, my nigga here. And man, my nigga needed. And my nigga Mark, man, there's so much pain in the dark. Man, there's so much things happen in my life. Stores and neighborhood change. Nobody in the east no more. Nobody on the south no more. Nobody on that north no more. I used to know, man, where all my niggas go. I don't know what to do. Man, I used to think back in high school. We used to kick it in Norman Woods at the wood, man. It was all good, man. Acting a fool, man. At the tree, blowing them things with that chop and John me. Kicking me in them thing real. And with my niggas, cause my niggas gotta keep it real. And my nigga Chili gone, my nigga was real. My nigga was trill, my nigga was tight. Gotta maintain. Don't know what to do. I gotta maintain, man. I gotta maintain, huh? So much pain. Don't know what to do, huh? I don't give a damn about the hook going the same verse, cause this is my rap. Niggas don't even know this game ago. Don't need no chorus or no shit, cause this real shit. Man, we used to act bad in the motherfucking beds. Used to act a fool, man, we used to act fool. Man, I remember when we used to chill in high school. I remember when we went to John and get our first grill. That's the same year we got our license, and it was real. We kick it in the hood with my nigga E. I'm trying to maintain, can't believe my nigga Tauti in the penitentiary. My nigga Pat, my nigga Evan. There's so much pain up in my brain what I'm having. I gotta survive up in this life of mine. Niggas hate me, I'm on the grind, gotta hold it down. I remember my niggas, man, I used to know. Got the number in my phone, man, I don't wanna erase it. It's so much memories when he used to call me from them digits. Man, I see a car that you used to drive. Man, I see the same block where we used to hang. There's so much new young niggas growing up, man. I'm trying to maintain, man, I'm trying to live my life. Niggas, they gon' change, but I always stay right. I'm the same KP since you met me. I never let you down, bet me. Gotta stay real, gotta keep it for my niggas. keep it real. Ain't no snitch in my blood, I'm real. Niggas wanna hate me, ain't no bitches around here. Nothing but G's, leaving niggas don't understand the plan. Gotta maintain, niggas on the block got so much pain. I don't know what to do, I gotta make it rain for every track. For my niggas, man, I wish I could bring it back. So much memories flashing through my head right now. Man, I can't believe my nigga dead right now. I don't know what to do, but represent your name. Man, we was food in high school, it was food in the hood. Oh man, my nigga had so many damn plans. My nigga didn't even get to have kids. That's some bad shit, man. Man, I miss my nigga, man. I don't know what to do. I gotta have a bigger plan. Let me bring this shit back, man. You know what I'm saying? Off the mind. You know what I'm saying? Not the heart, my nigga. Used to kick it at the house. I remember when we used to have the struggle. My nigga didn't have very much, but my niggas come through with some stuff. Because we real, we look like never really have a good living. So much things in dodging prison, but we had a little bit just to make it, and that's all we need. Cause there's so much niggas around me. I so much love niggas, that's all we think of. We wasn't even in the hustling shit, yet we was still in the damn chillin', walking around, didn't have no car, but everybody knew what's around. We was chillin', we was outside more than in the house. I ain't know what was on TV, nigga, I was in these streets, niggas chillin' on the game. I'm trying to maintain, there's so much pain in my brain. I'm trying to maintain so much pain stuck up in my brain. I'm trying to maintain. My nigga gone, a lot of things changed. I'm trying to live my life, I'm trying to survive, but man, I can't believe my nigga ain't alive. Man, that nigga would've been on the track with me, acting bad, man. I can't believe it, my nigga gone. There's so much pain and memories. I remember you and I know you remember me. My nigga 5'3", my nigga chillin', and my nigga Quasi, my nigga Derek, and my nigga Raul. I keep it true, and you know a nigga represent the old school. I'm a G homeboy, don't give a fuck. Nigga better watch out, you know how we grew up. All my niggas that know me, they know this shit is real. They know this shit is tight. They know a nigga trio. I'm trying to maintain, homie, this is how we live. R.I.P. for my niggas, man, this is the game. Man, R.I.P. my niggas, know what I'm saying? So much pain, know what I'm saying? So much tears, know what I'm saying? Dreaming about my niggas, know what I'm saying? Real talk, know what I'm saying? Seeing my niggas in a dream, you know what I'm saying? That shit be looking real, know what I'm saying? Wake up like shit. You know what I'm saying? Can't believe my nigga ain't around no more. You know what I'm saying? That's some crazy ass shit, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? So much pain. You know what I'm saying? But thank God that my other niggas still alive. Thank God I'm still alive, you know. You know what I'm saying? All my niggas, you know what I'm saying? Lord bless their souls. You know what I'm saying? Real talk. You know what I'm saying? For all my niggas. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy KP, my nigga. You know I'm still be rapping and forever be rapping, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? We started this shit, you know what I'm saying? And we gon' finish this shit, my nigga. You ain't here or not, my nigga, I'ma rap it like you here with me, my nigga. Real talk, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy, you know what I'm saying? Known philosopher, my nigga.